How do you know if your vessel cybersecurity is working? Many shipping operators invest money and effort in buying cybersecurity products, but they have no idea whether these are properly deployed, maintained, and effective. In addition, shore teams have no idea whether crew and vessel visitors are complying with the cybersecurity policies documented within the safety management systems. So how do you keep track of the cyber hygiene of your vessels? Introducing CyberOwl Metrics. It automatically measures the cyber hygiene of your vessels and gives you visibility of whether your cybersecurity controls are deployed, maintained, and effective. It also identifies whether the crew are complying with cybersecurity policies and procedures, and helps you quickly focus on the cybersecurity controls that are failing and need urgent attention. You can tailor and configure your cybersecurity policies and set whether alerts are just directed to the IT team or also to the master or the crew to remind them to comply with policies and behave securely. With CyberOwl's metrics, you can easily track your vessel's cyber hygiene and know exactly which risks to address. So you are always ready to evidence your vessel cybersecurity during an audit.